want to do a bunch of great things. You're the most motivated, you're leaders for a reason. There's no telling. I don't know. There's going to be NFL players, NBA players, there's going to be doctors, attorneys. I don't know. Maybe there's a president in this room. I don't know where you're going to end up. But do not, I see you guys look at each other. Don't miss the memories and the moments along the way. The stuff fades, it's gone. It's not what it's about.
It's your role on this team to make it 1 degree better. And I often ask myself the same question: what is my role? When I had my eyes up do the work, that's when I really learned who I was. I learned how to work hard, I learned how to be resilient, I learned how to seek the blessed, not to impress, and I learned how to win the hour.
Hard work, there's no substitute for it. No matter what you do, people can make excuses and different things like that, but when you work at something, you can outwork people. There's no doubt about it.
Adversity is absolutely going to happen. And my question to you, my challenge to you is, when it comes, are you prepared for it? Number one, you have to assume and know that it's coming to be prepared, or you're going to be caught off guard. You need to assume and know and be guaranteed that it is, and then have a plan, just like you do for everything else. No, you gave your best and you did all you have. It doesn't matter what anybody else thinks. They don't get a vote. And I put one foot in front of the other every day.